Morning everybody, welcome to Premier Auto Services e-car. We are now standing in the original Premier Auto Services, the one that kicked off this entire operation that we have that's servicing Durban and the clients that live in the area. So today I just want to do a bit of a walk around, show you our workshop, show you what we do, some of our clients' vehicles, meet some of our technicians. So this is the original Premier Auto Services with the bright orange and the old logo up there for that nostalgic feeling. Some of our clients' vehicles. We specialize in service and maintenance of corporate vehicles for clients that depend on their vehicles and quick turnaround times. They're more than welcome to bring them to us, and we will service them and repair them in a very quick and efficient manner. But most especially, we keep their prices as low as possible. So we provide affordable, professional servicing with quick turnaround time, and that's what we strive for. So if you follow me and we walk around, now we're entering the new section. This is the e-car side of the business. This is the new baby in the family, coming to be from November last year when we officially opened the e-car Durban North. You'll notice the new stripes on the wall and the e-car corporate ID together with the e-car branding. And these are some of the other vehicles that we work on, and some of our specialists working on these vehicles. We have Umesh here specializing on the Amarok and getting this Amarok up and running as quick as possible. You'll notice the engine's out, so we are waiting for that to be delivered. We have Maurice. Yes, smile. We have Maurice that's running some diagnostics on one of our clients' Mercedes-Benz. And then we have a vehicle now that we're waiting authorization. This is also a fleet vehicle, so we have them assessed and we quote the client, and as soon as they're ready to make a decision in terms of providing us with an authorization, once they get that, we then continue working on the vehicle. But that's us for today. Very easy going. It's the end of the month. We've pushed our figures, and we've got the guys all ready for the new month. Okay.